What's up, guys? 67H Farmer here. Doing some redneckery here. Got the winch for the four-wheeler pulling the case up on top of the engine hoist, dropping the engine in. Just got a brand new hydraulic pump with a brand new Lovejoy and a brand new Lovejoy coupler, like a rubber grommet piece. And now comes the time to drop the motor in. And I just had a little snag, but when I drop it, I do believe the engine hoist arm is gonna hit my cylinder and it won't go down all the way. So I guess we're gonna try it, see what happens. I tell you though, that got us pretty darn close. That is sitting right on top, but we don't have much more to go. This is as far as I've gotten. The torch is not going to get you. But I've got the engine in, sort of, and the pump's mounted to the engine. That's about as far as I've gotten. And now I'm trying to put the frame mount bolts in. And the new pump is hitting this hydraulic line and the valve body. So what I tried doing, I tried heating over here. I was gonna bend this bracket out a little bit so it's right up against this rod for the remote, I guess you call it. And it just started to fire with all the grease that's inside of there, so I stopped that pretty quick. So yeah, that's as far as I've gotten. I can't get any further.